Let me ask you something. When was the last time you bought something online? Maybe a gadget, a dress, or even groceries, right? Now imagine you place an order, pay online, and what you get is either fake, broken, or never even arrives. What would you do? That exact moment, when trust is broken, is why consumer protection in the digital world matters more than ever. The online marketplace has exploded. In 2025 alone, global online sales touched £5.2 trillion. That's trillions with a T. We're not just shopping online anymore, we're living there. But with great growth comes great risk. For every trusted online store, there's a scam website or deceptive ad waiting to trick someone. That's why protecting consumers online isn't just about fairness, it's about keeping the entire digital economy trustworthy. And that's where regulators like the Central Consumer Protection Authority, CCPA, in India step in. They make sure companies don't engage in unfair or deceptive practices. Because when people trust businesses, they shop more, complain less, and everyone, businesses and consumers alike, wins. 5 key consumer rights every online business must respect. First, right to safety. The products sold online must be safe, reliable, and free from harm or defects. Second, right to information. Consumers deserve honest, clear details, no hidden charges or false claims. Third, right to choice. Platforms must promote fair competition and genuine product variety. Fourth, right to voice. Buyers have the right to complain and be heard through accessible grievance systems. Fifth, right to redress. Consumers are entitled to refunds, replacements, or compensation for faulty goods or services. Unique challenges in online consumer protection. Protecting consumers online is complex. The digital marketplace brings its own risks. Distance or trust gaps. Buyers rarely know the seller, so businesses must ensure transparency, clear contact info, and fair return policies. Deceptive design patterns. Pre-ticked boxes, fake urgency messages, or dark patterns manipulate consumer choices. Data privacy risks. Personal data shared online must be securely handled and never exploited for profit. Authenticity concerns. Fake reviews, paid ratings, and undisclosed sponsorships blur trust, making transparency essential. Regulatory landscape or industry best practices. 1. E-commerce rules, 2020. Hold online platforms accountable for unfair trade practices, false advertisements, and data misuse. 2. Consumer Protection Act, 2019 strengthens consumer rights and enforces greater accountability for digital and e-commerce businesses. 3. Central Consumer Protection Authority, CCPA, implements and monitors compliance, ensuring transparency and fair conduct in the marketplace. Essential business practices. Transparency first, clear terms, upfront pricing, and honest communication build trust. Fair refund policies, simple return systems and prompt refunds reflect genuine consumer care. Secure payment methods, strong data protection and fraud prevention ensure safe, reliable transactions. Real-world examples. Let's look at a few success stories. Amazon's review revolution. Amazon cracked down on fake reviews and introduced verified purchase tags. This simple step restored buyer trust and boosted sales. Speech balloon. Transparency pays companies that are open and honest with customers see fewer disputes, more loyalty, and stronger brands. Final message: protecting consumers or building trust. At the heart of the digital economy, trust is the true currency. For businesses, be transparent, accountable, and responsive. That's how you earn lasting loyalty. For consumers, stay informed, verify details, and speak up against unfair practices. When both sides act responsibly, we build a digital marketplace that's safer, fairer, and driven by integrity. In the digital world, trust isn't given, it's built. And consumer protection is the foundation that keeps that trust alive. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more such legal insights.